There is a half-finished digital product on your computer right now. You opened it last weekend, you read what you'd written, you hated it. You closed the tab and you told yourself you just need one more free weekend. Today, I'm going to show you what that file could be worth if you finished it. $9,400 a month. That's not a promise, it's a target. We're going to reverse engineer together down to the dollar so you can see how few sales it actually takes. The difference between a file that makes money and a file that sits there is not talent. It's one decision made before you write the first word, and it takes 4 minutes. I'm going to give you the AI prompt that makes that decision for you. It's free in the description. Then I'm going to give you the 3 steps that turn your product into a live link in your bio today. But first, the reason your file is still sitting there is probably not your fault. You were given bad advice. You were told to build a big audience first before you could sell anything. Well, guess what? That could take months, years. Most people quit before they make their first dollar, which is exactly what happened to that unfinished document on your computer. You were waiting until you felt like somebody worth buying from. So we're flipping the order. Make the product now in an afternoon, then have it ready and selling while you grow your audience instead of after. Now quickly, so you know why to listen to me, I'm Jillian Leslie. My husband and I founded MiloTree, the platform creators use to sell digital products without a website or complicated tech. I have helped thousands of creators do this, and I'm going to show you the exact model the successful ones use. To make this concrete, meet Emma. Full disclosure, she's a composite of a few of our customers because I do not share customers' numbers without their permission. But every strategy I'm about to show you is real. Emma is a wedding planner, and every engaged couple is panicking about the same question. What is this wedding actually going to cost us? Because remember, the average wedding now runs over $30,000. And couples routinely blow past their budgets by thousands because nobody showed them the real numbers up front. Now, most people think digital product means a $400 course that takes 3 months to build. Well, watch what Emma does instead. Not one product. She offers a 3-product stack. Her $67 product answers that first question about budget. So it's called the Wedding Budget Blueprint, what everything really costs. Then she's going to offer product 2, a $27 vendor contract red flag checklist. Because once you sign a vendor contract, you're kind of locked in. And product 3, a $90 workshop where she builds your real wedding budget with you. And notice, nobody has forked out thousands of dollars to hire Emma as their wedding planner. They just have to want that first answer badly enough about budgeting to risk $67. But here's the part I want you to actually hear. Emma only markets that first product. The checklist is offered automatically at checkout as an order bump. It's just a tick of a box while the customer's credit card is already out. And the workshop, the second after they buy, they're going to see that on the thank you page. Traffic to only 1 product, but 3 products are sold. This is adding an order bump and an upsell. It's a sales funnel, but it's a super simple one to create. And watch what it does to the math. So about 1 in 3 takes the checklist and buys it. 1 in 5 takes the workshop. So a $67 sale becomes a $94 average order, which means $9,400 a month is not 100 sales a day. It's about 3 sales a day, not 300, 3. And yes, those 3 buyers have to come from somewhere. So that is the audience piece. And that I'm going to address in the video after this one. But today's job is making sure that when people show up, there's something for them to buy and a journey for them to go on. So how do you find your product? Well, this is the prompt. It's free. It's in the description below. Now, most people ask AI for product ideas. They get garbage because they're just asking for products for a certain topic. This prompt asks for a buying trigger. And this is the 4-minute decision I told you about at the start of the video. You pick the trigger before you pick the topic. Every purchase on earth comes down to one of what I call 6 buying triggers. Make money, save time, move toward happiness, move away from pain, and raise status. Now, 2 of them out-earn the other 4, and it's not even close. Make money and save money. So Emma's whole stack fact, sits on save money, which is why she can charge $67 for her first product. So you run this prompt, you get 10 strong ideas. You pick one, you open a blank Google Doc, and then nothing happens for 3 weeks. That tab you closed last weekend, this is where it came from. It was never a discipline problem. It's a structure problem. You know what you want to make, you just do not know what goes on page 1. We built the tools inside MiloTree that close that gap. The first tool is our AI digital product finder. 3 questions: what are you good at? Who do you help? And what kind of product do you want to make? And here's what comes back: 3 product ideas, a suggested price, and how long each will take to build. The buying triggers are already baked in. I pick the one I want. The product details are automatically set up in MiloTree. Then I get a roadmap. This is a step-by-step build plan. AI prompts that get your first draft written and make it yours prompt. So the final product sounds like you, not like a robot. That is the blank page solved. You're going to export this file as a PDF. Maybe it takes 2 hours. You've got a product and you can sell it now forever. Okay, now that you're ready to sell, you can use any tool for this part. What's nice about MiloTree is we deliver that PDF, that product, directly to your customer, so you never have to touch it again. Our AI writes your sales page copy, you edit it, add your images, and you can be live with your first product in about 15 minutes. Until now, you got 1 link per product in MiloTree. So if you sold 5 products, that meant you had 5 different links, and you were forever swapping them in and out of your bio. Well, guess what? Now we offer link in bio storefronts. It's 1 page. Every product you sell, your freebies to grow your email list, plus any links you want to add. You pick a name and your storefront is ready to share. 1 link in your bio forever. Now, straight talk on money, because I hate videos that hide this until after you sign up. MiloTree has a free plan. You can sell 3 products, offer 3 freebies to grow your list, and the storefronts included. No monthly cost. All you pay is a 5% transaction fee. Now, order bumps and upsells, they're on our Grow plan, which is $25 a month paid annually, but there are no transaction fees. And here's the honest math on when to upgrade. The order bump and the upsell are what turned Emma's $67 into $94. So at 3 sales a day, that difference is about $2,700 a month. And all our Grow plan costs is $25. At that volume, the 5% fee on the free plan would cost Emma about $470 a month. So for her, of course, she'd be on our Grow plan. But the free plan is for getting your first sales. The moment you have traction though, that's when you want to upgrade. So here's your weekend. That file you'd been avoiding on your computer, leave it. Start again. Run the prompt below. Pick the top idea. Build it. Write a sales page and have the link in bio ready to go by Sunday. Or if you want the fast version, MiloTree finds your product, builds the roadmap, writes the sales page, and gives you the storefront. So you could start free again with MiloTree, no credit card. You pay nothing until you make your first sale. The link is below. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to get your first sales starting from 0 audience. That's the other half of this math. And I will see you there.